What's up, guys? Today we're going to be switching out the tie rod ends on my 2006 Polaris Sportsman. It's a Sportsman 700. I replaced one end just to test them out, and way better. See this one? If you shake it side to side, it doesn't move. This other side's horrible. It's just shot. So we're going to be replacing the front and the back on both ends. So got these off Amazon. They're relatively cheap, but they'll do me for now if they go out or anything. Oh yeah, peep the ring I made out of a dollar bill. I was bored at work. But if they go to crap or something soon, I'll order the Polaris brand. But for now, we're just gonna go with the cheap ones. So here we go. One thing I should mention, first of all, we're gonna start on this side I already started on. I just keep the nut where it's at since they're the same exact length. I keep this nut where it is, and I just break it free and unscrew the old one, screw the new one right back on the same exact spot, and that keeps it the same distance, so it's not getting unaligned or anything. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Looks like we have a 17 mil. I'll be using this wrench for to hold it on the bottom, for the bottom nut, and we got a 15 mil for this top bolt, and then we have this cotter pen we're just gonna unfold and pull out, and it's pretty small too. Came with some small ones. Just yank those out. I'm gonna toss it. You can reuse them. I got a kit of cotter pins from, I think, Menards or something. You can get them at Harbor Freight also for very cheap. This one looks like a better size here. Should just pop right out. I don't mess up the threads. And I'm gonna put these back so we know exactly what order they were in. Looks like we got a different size in there. Let's see what size that is. Looks like this top nut and bolt is a 14 millimeter, both of them, so probably have to get a couple wrenches in there to break that away. And this does not have a cotter pen on the upper bushing, and yeah, those are shot also. Let's hope the GoPro doesn't fall off the tire here. There we go. And these have lock nuts on them, or what are they called? I guess they are a type of lock nut. I think there's a different name for them though. They have that rubber piece on the end, so that's probably why these don't have cotter pins. Most likely be reusing these. The set came with another nut and bolt for the end with the cotter pen, but might be reusing the original ones because I'd rather use the Polaris brand than some Chinese stuff. There we go. Let's put the new one on. That's nice. Oh, my dollar bill's falling off. Nice. This is also nice. I was looking for this bolt for like 2 minutes and it was in my hand the whole time. Yeah, that explains me. And I will point out, this one that I had on first is reverse thread. So it's not righty-tighty, lefty-loosey on this. It's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. This side is not reverse thread up here. It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to get these on and off. So what I'll do is just break that nut loose a little bit, unscrew the old tie rod in, screw the other one on, try to get it to the same exact spot, and keep the alignment the same. Of course. So the nut wants to loosen up, but the tie rod doesn't at the end. So I'm gonna grab a pair of vice grips and try to grip onto this and see if I can't get this loose. That thing is not moving. I don't know why. It moved a little bit, but it feels like it's tightening up. Let me try it again. Get some better leverage on it too. That's probably my problem. God, the whole thing's moving. This thing is not playing any games. Holy cow. What's the function? Very rusty. Let that sit for a minute, then I'll hit it again, and I did not expect it to be that rusted on there, but it doesn't surprise me knowing my luck. Well, I'm gonna work smarter, not harder. I have a torch somewhere. I think I have it in my work van. I'm gonna go grab the torch and just heat that up. Heat always helps get nuts loose. This struggle is making me so excited to do the other side. You have no idea, I'm so excited. Let's see if this does the trick here. And honestly, I don't even want to take this off. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's take it off. It's just sucked getting on. I really don't want to bend this. I'm already scratching it up enough. There. Duh. Holy crap, that reeks. Oh my gosh. That hurt my neck. I'm just gonna act like I did not touch my neck with that piece of metal right after I got done heating it up, and that it didn't hurt at all. Not hot enough. So I've had this thing under a torch bright red. I only get it to move half a turn and then it just stops. I'm at the point where I'm gonna try it one more time. And if that doesn't work, I might get out my little grinder and try to cut it off without messing up the threads too bad, or order new tie rods with the ends on them. I promise you guys, they're usually not this hard, but it's just one of those days. Whew. Had to pull the camera back out just to show you guys I got it. I'm gonna act like I knew what I was doing too, but oh yeah, I got tired of it and I was just gonna cut it with this little grinder. Grinder's dead anyway. I dipped it in snow. It was scorching hot. It just steamed and cooled off until it stopped steaming, and I came over here and it started loosening up. Like, what? Maybe I got it too hot. Be able to reuse this. The vice grips kind of chewed that up. I might sand it a little bit, just clean it up, and then hit it with some black paint. Yeah, I'll do that. Make sure it's not bent. It doesn't, I don't think I bent it. No, we're good. Just has some little gouges that are kind of annoying, so I'll just sand that a little bit, hit it with some black spray paint. That's probably the problem. Look at this. What the heck? It can't be because I got it hot. It looks like it was cross-threaded at one point. Oh, great. Well, hopefully I can get the new one on. That sucks. I swear. Oh my gosh, this new one's not gonna go on. I might have to cut these threads where they're messed up and thread it on where it's good. I'm gonna lose only like 1/4 inch of threads, which isn't gonna make or break this, I wouldn't think. I'm still gonna get a lot of thread on there. I'm gonna take off like 1/4 inch. I'm gonna have to. I'm not gonna screw this one up trying to do that, and I'm not dealing with that again. So on the bright side, if you guys are doing this at home, you shouldn't have that problem I had. And the other one should not be like that. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna go cut this down and screw the other one on, and then start working on the other side. Look at that. Plenty of thread on there. Good as new. Nice and straight. So I'm gonna go sand it quick, hit it with some black paint. I don't even know if sanding is gonna help it, but I might clean it up a hair and then pop it back in. It's a little better. Good as new. I don't know what you're talking about. I was not gonna get it all over here, but whatever. Good enough. I'll pop that other one off while it's drying. Yeah, I'm not gonna make you watch that. So I'll probably hurt myself, and I don't want to record that. So see you in a minute. I just got this one off. Bushings are horrible, and I put the vice grips on, and this one just popped loose. So I could probably take this off with my hand. Sure, that end will do the same. Usually they're very easy. That one just sucked. All right, guys, I got them painted up. They're looking good. I'm gonna let them dry. It's pretty cold here in Iowa. When they're done drying, I'll show you a quick clip at the end of them on and everything. But yeah, they're nice and straight, and everything looks good. So yeah, that was a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. It is dark, but I got them back on. They're looking good. One thing I did notice, I can barely see it, the wheel's shaking. So pretty sure that's the hub assembly or something that needs taken care of. So I'll be replacing those soon, but I'm gonna throw her down. Everything's nice and straight, good to go. And that's gonna be a wrap, guys. Sorry if it was a boring video, but I'm getting new to this YouTube stuff. So to boost the channel, if you made it this far, subscribe and hit the like button, and comment that you subscribed and hit the like button. I'm gonna pick somebody out and give them a $20 gift card to wherever they want. Thanks, guys. See ya.